What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. um, so, for a long time, I've really been wanting my afro to have highlights, but I haven't bleached my hair in about 8 years. And I've been asking everyone, like, how can I do it naturally? And everyone's like, you can't do it naturally. I've dyed my hair before with Inecto. I think it was the caramel blonde. And it comes out this like ginger color, which I really like because I don't want my hair to be yellow. I really don't want my hair to be yellow. That's why I think I'm so scared today. Like, what if my hair comes out yellow? But anyway, oh, I forgot to put a picture, but here's the picture of how I want my afro to look like. So wish me luck, guys. Okay, so this is what I bought. I bought it at Clicks. It's the highlight refill kit in blonde. I'm really honestly hoping for this or this outcome between these two colors. I wouldn't be mad at this, but it's quite similar to what I already have. And with this one, I just used the Inecto Caramel Blonde. So I'm quite nervous. I'm very nervous, especially because I'm doing it at home. I don't even have foil, but we're gonna freestyle it. Oh my word, let's do it. So I've been watching a lot of other YouTube videos of women who have done highlights on their hair at home as well. And they say that, and hairstylists actually, and they say that if you prefer having your hair in a middle part, which I do, that's how you should part it, especially in the front. I'm gonna stop like somewhere there, like here. Stop just there. Part it over here by your ear. So I'm gonna. Now I'm gonna mix this up. So I don't have an apron and I don't want to use my towels. So on this one video, a girl used a black bag. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I have these. I just need to make a hole. I saw she had a hole over here and she put her head through, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I mean, so far I can definitely see my hair getting lighter. Let's just hope it doesn't come out yellow. I love it. Loving it. So this is fresh out the shower. Oh my word, there's a spot right here. It's so bright, but I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I hate it. I'm gonna blow it out, make it straight, and then we'll see. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Last night it got too dark for me to film, so I blew my hair out, I straightened it, and this is the result. I absolutely love it. It's not as light as I wanted it to be, but you can definitely see that my hair is much lighter, especially here in this piece over here. I quite like it. And let me show you from behind. But thanks for watching, guys. I'm quite proud of myself. I was very, very nervous, but I'm quite happy with the results. So yeah, if ever you want to bleach your hair at home, let me know. I didn't use foil, none of that, as you saw in the videos. But thank you so much. If you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and take care.